Hi guys, it is my pleasure to announce that our channel is getting popular day by day. We have now over 100 subscribers. I am extremely thankful to all the subscribers. Thank you very much. Please keep sharing this wonderful educational resource with all your friends and get more and more subscribers. Pressing the bell icon will help you get notified when I upload any new video. Today we are going to study proteins. Protein is a polymer of amino acid monomers. Proteins account for more than 50% of the dry weight of most cells, and they are instrumental in almost everything cells do. Proteins are worker bees of our body. If something is getting done in our body, there is a protein doing it. Our body has tens of thousands of different kinds of proteins, each with a unique three-dimensional structure corresponding to its specific function. In fact, proteins are the most structurally sophisticated molecules in our body. Please stay with me till the end of this video if you want to learn the general structure of an amino acid, their types, and formation of a peptide bond. We will study the structure of proteins in the second part of this video. Proteins are made up of a combination of molecule monomers called amino acids. Structure of an amino acid resembles methane, in which central carbon atom is attached to 4 hydrogen atoms. The carbon atom of an amino acid is, however, attached to 4 unique chemical groups. These include an amino group bonded directly to the central carbon atom, referred to as alpha carbon, a carboxyl group, a hydrogen atom, and an alkyl or aryl group symbolized as R. The amino group, carboxyl group, and hydrogen are permanent and do not change, while the structure of alkyl or aryl changes in every amino acid, giving it a unique name and qualities. Presence of both amino group and carboxyl group gives them their name amino acid. There is an internal transfer of a hydrogen ion from the carboxylic acid group to the amino group to leave an ion with both a negative charge and positive charge. This is the form amino acid exists even in solid state. A zwitterion is a compound with no overall electrical charge, but which contains separate parts which are positively and negatively charged. We now turn to polymers of amino acids, the peptides and proteins. Biologically occurring polypeptides range in size from small to very large, consisting of 2 or 3 to thousands of linked amino acid residues. Our focus is on the fundamental chemical properties of these polymers. Peptide bond formation is an example of condensation reactions. 2 amino acid molecules join covalently through a substituted amide linkage. This covalent bond is termed as peptide bond. 2 amino acid molecules join to yield a dipeptide. Such a linkage is formed by removal of hydroxyl ion of the carboxyl group of one amino acid and hydrogen ion from amino group of an adjacent amino acid. 3 amino acids join with 2 peptide bonds to form a tripeptide. Similarly, 4 amino acids link to form a tetrapeptide, 5 to form a pentapeptide, and so forth. When a few amino acids are joined in this fashion, the structure is called oligopeptide. When many amino acids are joined, the product is called a polypeptide. Proteins may have thousands of amino acid residues. Although the term protein and polypeptide are sometimes used interchangeably, molecules referred as polypeptides generally have a molecular weight below 10,000 and those called proteins have higher molecular weights. Before I finish this lecture, I will again request you to subscribe the channel Biology for All. You can find subscription button under the channel logo or below the video. We will study the structure of proteins in next lecture. Send me your comments, ask me questions. It is my pleasure to assist you in your exam preparation. Bye for now. See you soon.